Do you like to take care of yourself? Do you have the habit of moisturizing your skin? Then, you will like to learn the recipe we will show in today's video. More and more people are taking care of themselves. Maybe it is because of social media, series, and movies. But it is a fact, everybody wants well cared for and younger skin. Did you know that nature can help you with that? Many natural elements within your reach can help you have bright and healthy skin. We have some recipes of moisturizers, masks, and oils on our channel to help you. Since there is nothing better for our skin than natural products, learn now this powerful avocado and carrot mask to harmonize your skin color and give more life to your face. Did you know that, because avocados are rich in vitamin C, they help with collagen metabolization, which makes the skin firmer? Avocados are rich in antioxidants, such as vitamin E, and amino acids, which are amazing to restore the shine of dull skin. You certainly have heard that carrots are good for the skin, right? Carrots are rich in vitamin A, an essential nutrient to keep the skin healthy. Because it contains beta-carotene, carrots also offer resistance against ultraviolet rays, UV, protecting the skin from harmful sun rays. Besides that, it also helps control signs of aging, like wrinkles and pigmentation. Another ingredient of this recipe is honey, a powerful natural moisturizer. It is great for any type of skin, from the driest to the oiliest ones. Besides that, honey is rich in antioxidants, fighting the free radicals that cause premature aging. As we have seen in other recipes on our channel, honey helps with expression lines and lightens dark spots on the skin, like dark circles. And egg white is highly nourishing for the skin. It has antioxidants, vitamins A and E, carotenoids, folic acid, zinc, magnesium, and selenium, which are all great against free radicals action and to hold off premature aging. Phew! Now, to the recipe. Write down the ingredients: 1/4 avocado, 1/2 carrot, 1 tablespoon heavy cream, 1 egg white and 1 tablespoon honey. Directions. Start by mashing the avocado, grind or grate the carrot and mix both ingredients. Add the remaining ingredients little by little, and mix well. Now apply it over clean skin, gently. Let the mixture act for 20 minutes and rinse with warm water. This avocado and carrot mask is rich in antioxidants and vitamins for the skin. That's why it helps reduce wrinkles, removes spots, and improves and lessens skin tones.